I'm Elizabeth Iorns, one of the founders and CEO of Science Exchange, a marketplace for scientific experiments. So the easiest way to think about Science Exchange is as an eBay for scientific research. So we make it simple to order any experiment from top research scientists anywhere. We currently have more than 400 research institutes that participate in the Science Exchange marketplace, and these include 71 of the top 100 US research universities. So why did we decide to create Science Exchange? I'm a cancer biologist with more than 10 years' experience in the academic sector conducting preclinical breast cancer research. And what I learned was that it's not possible to know every technique or to have every instrument in your own lab. You must collaborate with other scientists in order to be successful. This is just a map showing my 38 first-degree co-authors of my publications, and I have thousands of second-degree co-authors. But the current incentives for collaboration are very ineffective. They basically require you to barter an experimental need in exchange for a future favour with your professional colleagues. And this is not really the best way to motivate the top research scientists to work with you. Or you can use Google to look for an experimental service provider. But this doesn't provide any information about reliability or any tools in order to initiate, track, and pay for experimental services. So we created Science Exchange to facilitate collaboration via a marketplace for ordering experiments. This simplifies collaboration to ordering an experiment from any research scientist anywhere. This shows you how simple it is to order an experiment via Science Exchange. This is just one of our facilities where you can click the blue button to request this experimental service. The implications of creating an open marketplace for scientific experiments are extremely profound. Nature said it could transform the current very inefficient use of funds and dramatically change the way in which scientists do research. The first major implication is efficiency. We can lower the cost of research through economies of scale and increase the speed at which research can be conducted. This is one of our users who was interviewed by CNBC about her research, and she said that Science Exchange saved her half the cost of her experiment and also saved her a tremendous amount of time because she didn't need to learn this new technique. The second major implication is democratization of access to research facilities. Researchers from smaller, less well-funded universities, as well as individual researchers, and even citizen scientists can now access the cutting-edge research technologies that are housed at top research universities. This is one of our researchers from Germany, and he accesses Johns Hopkins University facilities to conduct his research into Antarctic glacier cycles. The third major implication is improved quality of research. This is because we provide an independent rating system about people's experience of working with researchers who conduct particular experimental techniques. And we also allow independent validation of key experimental results at multiple sites to ensure reproducibility. This is one of our providers who's conducted many experiments with numerous different researchers, and then researchers who are evaluating her can see that she has extreme proficiency at a particular experimental technique. The final implication is that we can track information at a high level about the experiments that are being ordered, and this enables us to identify trends in research. This is a graph that shows the cost of DNA sequencing over the last 10 years, and you can see that the price has fallen exponentially. We can track this type of information in real time, and we can also dig into that information and examine trends like which particular technology providers are starting to dominate a particular field. So what does this mean for your research organization? All of you conduct research, whether it's into engineering, medicine, or material science, and your research scientists face similar challenges that I faced as an academic researcher. It's simply not enough to provide a database of expertise. You also have to provide the right incentive to enable efficient collaboration. A marketplace ordering system provides an incentive that allows an effective and efficient research environment. We've created that for science experiments with Science Exchange. Thank you.